Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is can you put digistore links in your YouTube channel? So guys, to answer your question, if the affiliate links are allowed on YouTube, of course guys, any YouTube channel can be suitable for affiliate marketing as long as you naturally recommended products and services. And guys, remember that first you must lead the viewers directly to the provider's website, and the link must be clearly visible and accessible to the viewers, and the link should be relevant to the context of your video and should add value to the viewer experience. So guys, from here you can just simply add it into the description, your affiliate link, and you can just simply go to the video once it is uploaded, and you can just simply promote it again on the comment section for your video. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.